welcome to episode 2 of Rubik's Cube Challenge. And I'm sweating like mad here.
Right now it's us.
Right, where every video Rubik's Cube will be different because I'll try again. Leave in the comment section if you want me to do that or not. Alright, so we'll be doing it till anyone comments. Alright, and if I have enough comments from next video saying no, yeah, whatever, I either won't do it or will do it. I need your choices because I'll have to change it at one point because I'll be doing a challenge with my mates, Travis and Lewis. He has a little Rubik's Cube, but it's not as big as this one, like the normal ones. And all he'll get is the green block and then just leave it, that's all he'll do. But, worth a try. Probably I'll be doing this Rubik's Cube challenge for years. So I have complete it, not computer it. The challenges will be Travis has to record Lewis first. Lewis has to suffer through building something really hard on Minecraft. And I have to suffer through trying to do a Rubik's Cube. Then we'll be swapping, like Lewis has to do Rubik's Cube or something like that. But I like doing all of them things. So I'm not really bothered about recording, just the aching arm thing. Not really. I like doing Rubik's Cube. I like suffering through doing work on Minecraft, so it's not a big difference to me. Remember guys, my camera might stop at any time again. I know when it stops because it beeps. I'm sweaty. Wait, I'm just taking my top off. Right. I'm back.
So shoplifting is a perfect way to bump up into your
These videos will probably be regular actually, but on Tuesdays to work, on Fridays to work, well maybe on Friday and Tuesday if you're lucky, and probably on Saturday and Sunday. But we'll be doing a lot of challenges on Saturday and Sunday, and a lot of let's plays. We have to fit a lot of things in then, and we have to do football and everything. So we do a couple of footy videos now. So I love football, and I love Man City. Sorry if you're a Man U supporter, because I just love Man City. Most people in the world are Man U supporters. And when did you get this Rubik's Cube? Was it on Christmas or your birthday? Yeah, I did. It was either Christmas or your birthday, wasn't it? Or Father's Day, I'm not sure.
She was then 16 and struggling to cope. Her son Darryl was 6 months old.
I've always wondered this. What is Stampy Longnose's favourite colour? Something like orange, probably, because of his Minecraft skin. But my favourite colour is blue, well, aqua. So I wonder what this is actually. I'll tell you all my mate's favourite colours and my dad's and my mum's. My dad's favourite colour is blue. My favourite colour is blue. Travis, my cousin's favourite colour is blue. My mum's favourite colour is green. My mate Lewis's favourite colour is green. I'm not sure about my mate Sam. My sister's colour, I think, is yellow. She's only about 3, so... And I think Stampy is orange.
I might be wrong with what I've told on about that is. It is, it's like an illness chart, okay?
And now